In this video, I'll show you how to make an account on TradingView for free. Click the link in the description to follow along. Then, click on Get Started at the top right corner of the website. Select Sign Up, $0 forever, no credit card needed. Sign up with your Google, Facebook, X, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, LinkedIn, or email account. For this example, I'll sign up with my Google account. Enter a username of your choice. Decide whether to receive marketing emails with special offers. Agree to the terms and conditions of using TradingView. Click Next to complete the sign-up process. You'll be redirected to the TradingView homepage. Congratulations! You now have a free TradingView account. You can access your account by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner of the website. Make sure to click the link in the description to start using TradingView for free, no credit card required. Using my special link below, if you decide to upgrade to a premium account, you'll automatically get $15 added to your account.